Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, CorelDRAW with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, Filmora video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist. Shout out to the following:
Bia, El Prisco. This game happened during the 18th Russian Championship at Sochi, between Polyugovsky and Nesmetdinov. Polyugovsky opens with d4, and Nesmetdinov replies with knight to f6. Black knight is intending to post on e5, centralizing. Now, black threatens to take on f2. Planning to capture the knight that is guarding the e3. What if white takes on knight on e5 instead of bishop to c2? Then white will be mated as follows. And checkmate. Another scenario: what if, instead of capturing the knight on e5, white captures on c7 forking the rook and the bishop, then black attack is overwhelming, as follows. Now the white queen is trying to protect the knight against rook to f2. And the attack is very strong. If white king goes to h1, it is mated on h2. If white king goes to f1, he will lose its queen on knight to d4, open check by the rook. Let's now go back to the game. Now the white king is trying to flee to the other side of the board. A brilliant sacrifice that destroys all hope of white's position. White king is helpless on the ongoing onslaught of black pieces. And white resigns in this position. Obvious continuation will be as follows. Either knight or rook is checkmate.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.